In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your administrator name on Windows 11. So what you need to do is search for the control panel. So type in control panel and click on the control panel. From here, you need to go to user accounts. And once you're in user accounts, you'll see your current account. Here you've got my name and my email address. It is an administrator. Now, what we can do is we can look for the change name button, which might appear around here. Now, if I want to make changes, I have to click make changes to my account in PC settings. It will then open this window in accounts. And if I go ahead and click on accounts, what it does is it opens up my Microsoft account because that is what I'm currently logged in using. And this is what issue you might face as well. But if you click on accounts, it will open up your Microsoft account. What you can do from here is you can go ahead and sign in. Now, once you've signed in, you'll be on a page which looks something like this. You'll probably be on the home page. But if you go to your info, you can then go to your full name. You can click edit name. And there you go. You can change this name on your Microsoft account. And what that will do is it will update it on Windows 11 as well, because I'm currently logged in with my Microsoft account. So if this is the issue you're facing, that's how to fix it. I hope that video helped you out.